What's going on, guys? Me down here for another YouTube video, and today we're on a boat in Florida. So yay!
What?
Nothing. I'm recording this.
I know.
There. So we're eating some chips,
You want to go card?
and my brother here is boring, and he's not handsome. You are handsome. You're not the ladies' man, actually.
You post some weird YouTube.
I don't know. Because I'm a weird kid. I'm a weird kid. Yeah. I don't know.
Are you not itching as much now, or not as much?
I'm diving in front of my subscribers.